I'm sure you've heard the news. Stress is everywhere. But what if I told you your body's already built to handle it? You just need to know how to turn on that natural stress shield. The secret isn't about being tough or pretending problems don't bother you. Real resilience is about training your body to stay calm, recover quickly, and bounce back, no matter what life throws your way. Here's the cool part. You've got a built-in stress shield, powered by your nervous system and hormones. The stronger it gets, the faster you return to balance, mentally and physically. People who seem unbreakable, they're not just lucky, they're trained. So how do you train? You give your body small doses of challenge on purpose, like a quick cold shower, a brisk walk, some deep breathing, or a short workout. These tiny habits send a message to your body. I can handle this. Your mood stabilizes, your energy improves, and your recovery gets faster. Want to become stress-proof? Start simple. 1 minute of deep breathing, a cold rinse after your shower, or swap scrolling your phone for a walk outside. Every tiny habit makes your stress shield stronger. Remember, resilience isn't built in a crisis. It's built in your daily routine. Train a little each day, and when life gets heavy, you won't break. You'll bend and bounce back stronger. If you want more science-backed tips for mind and body, hit subscribe and check out the next video.